Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. This Silverado is featured in the LTZ trim and features a black paint finish. The vehicle includes features such as our tri-fold tonneau cover, 18-inch black aluminum wheels, heated and vented front seats, a heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, full sensors, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate. Inside the front of the vehicle, we can see above our chrome door handle that we have all of our front driver seat memory. Moving down the chrome door handle, then below that we have all of the controls for our trailering mirrors, which are powered. Then we have our door locks, as well as all of our window controls and our window lock. Moving down in the door, we can see that we have some additional storage in the bottom of the door panel. Moving up to the left-hand side of our steering wheel, we have our trailer brake controller, our drive mode select, as well as all of our lighting controls. Moving to the middle, we have our cluster gauge with digital information system in the middle. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings, our forward collision warning, as well as our heated steering wheel buttons. Then on the right-hand side, we have all of our hands-free information. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment touchscreen system with our Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, and our backup camera. Below that, additional controls for it. Moving down again, we have our dual zone front climate control. On the left-hand side, we have our heated and vented front seats for our driver. And on the right-hand side of that, we have the same for our passenger. Moving down, we have our extra buttons. We have our power pedals, our ABS, our in-bed lighting, our sensors, our lane keep assist, downhill park assist, and our diesel exhaust brake. Then at the bottom, we have some flip-ups. So we have two USBs, two 12-volt plugs, and a 120-volt plug. Moving down, we have some additional storage and a spot to keep our phones in the front while we're charging. Then we have our two cup holders. We have our center console, and on top of our center console, we have our wireless charging. Opening up into our center console, we can see on the driver side, we have our 12-volt plug. We have some deep storage and a storage slot in the front. Moving down in the front, we have our two USBs and our auxiliary cable. Moving across to our seats, we can see they are featured in a black leather and are heated and cooled in the front. Lastly, moving above our rear view mirror, we have our light controls on the left and right side. We have our garage door opener settings, our sunroof settings, our light controls, a sunglass holder which opens with a push of a button, and then lastly we have our sunroof. Now walking down the side of our Silverado, we can see on the hood we have our Duramax Allison transmission badging. On our front door, our Z71 off-road badging. We can see our 18-inch black aluminum wheel with Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have our black finish trailering mirror, as well as our paint match black door handles for both the front and rear of the vehicle. Moving into the back, we can see we have our corner steps. On the back itself, we have our HD trailering package hitch, as well as our connections. We can see our badge that is blacked out on the back, and our LTZ and Silverado badging. In the back of our hitch, we have our backup camera. We have our easy open hitch, as well as our tri-fold cover. Now into the rear of the vehicle, we once again have the chrome door handle, as well as the window control. In the bottom, we have a little bit of extra storage. Moving inside the vehicle, we can see that we have our magazine holder in the seat in front of us. In the middle, we have some storage. We also have a 12-volt plug. Have the magazine holder also in our passenger side. We can see our seats in the back are once again our black leather. We have a sliding rear window in the center. We have 2 fold-down cup holders in the middle. And we can see that we have lots of storage, as well as our jet black leather-appointed seating. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk-around of the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.